Hello everyone, welcome to my Harvard CS50 final project called MechLog, the app that keeps your shop organized. It's targeted for mechanics. My name is Dhruv Madan, my GitHub is AlphaHawkGT, my edX is dmadan, and I'm from San Jose, California. Today's date is August 16, 2025. To start off, every shop that would come to our app would have a starting amount of money. Let's say for this hypothetical that value was $10,000. They could add this description as initial amount. And this is basically just the money we have to play around with. Then, if we actually want to use our money to buy parts, we go to the Inventory tab. In the Inventory tab, you could add parts, for example, a hood. Let's say we bought 5 of them, or the unit cost is $50 and we bought 5 of them. It also won't let us input negative values. When we add this, it will show a new table with a line for what we just bought, as well as $250 as our total stock value. We can also add more parts, like trunks. Let's say each one's worth $70 and the initial stock is 3. We have a new row and a new stock value. We can also add more of the same item without getting a duplicate row, if we add the same name and the same cost. If we add 10 more hoods to our collection, you'll see that our number goes from 5 to 15. Now to actually use these parts. We go to the select part or the use parts tab and click select a part. Let's say we want to use a hood. When we use a hood, let's say we used one at a time, so we use the quantity used, you put the quantity used as 1, and we hit record parts used. It'll take us back to show that our number went from 15 to 14 in our number of current hoods. Then, since we actually installed the hood, we probably made some money through the job. Since, let's try to make a profit here, each hood is worth $50. If we go to add income, let's say the total job was worth 75. And then for description, we can say hood installation. Then we can add our income. We can check all this in the finances. The cash in hand is $9,115, and all our expenses are shown. The date, time, the type of transaction, the amount that was involved, and the description. We started with our $10,000 initial amount. We bought 5 hoods for $50 each, which is an expense of $250. Then we bought trunks, and we bought even more hoods. Then, for inventory usage, it cost $0 since we're just actually using the item and not spending money anywhere. We used 1 hood for a job. It's important to keep this in history so you know where your parts are, but it doesn't actually cost any money. Finally, for the income, we made $75, and this is the cash in hand, and this is our inventory, which when you add them is profit. Thank you for watching.